When the sun sets and the world becomes quiet, something magical happens inside our minds. The body rests, but the brain keeps working, processing, and storing memories. This is the secret that many learners don't realize. You can actually improve your English while you are sleeping. Yes, it sounds unbelievable at first, but it is real. And in this video, I will share with you exactly how I spoke English better, faster and more confidently, simply by using the power of sleep. But before I begin, welcome to Arise and Learn English, your home for natural English learning. If you truly want to become fluent and confident, then subscribe right now and join thousands of learners who are growing their English every day. Now let's dive into my powerful story. I remember when I first started learning English. I was frustrated. I studied grammar rules, I memorized vocabulary lists, I repeated exercises again and again, but still, when I had to speak, my mind froze. I couldn't find the words. I couldn't connect the sentences. It was painful and discouraging. Many nights I felt like giving up. Then one evening I came across an idea that changed everything. The possibility of learning while sleeping. At first, I laughed. How can I learn in my sleep? That's impossible. But deep inside, I was curious. I thought, what do I have to lose? I decided to try it. That night, I searched for a simple graded reader audiobook. It was a story for learners with easy vocabulary and short sentences. I put on my earphones, lay down on my bed, and pressed play. As the story began, I listened carefully. The words floated in my ears. I didn't force myself to understand every sentence. I just listened, slowly relaxing, until I drifted into sleep. The audio continued playing through the night. The next morning, something interesting happened. I remembered one sentence clearly. The man opened the door. It wasn't complicated. It wasn't advanced, but it was fresh in my mind, almost like a dream I could still see. I didn't memorize it on purpose, it was simply there. That was the beginning. I repeated this every night. Sometimes I played short stories. Sometimes I played motivational affirmations like, I can speak English with confidence. English comes naturally to me. I improve every day. At first it felt strange, but slowly these words became part of me. After a week, I realized I was recognizing more words when I listened during the day. After 2 weeks, I could almost predict the next line of the story before hearing it. After 1 month, I noticed something amazing. The sentences I had heard at night were coming out of my mouth naturally during conversations. It was as if my brain had stored them while I was sleeping and gave them back to me when I needed them. This method did not make me fluent overnight. Let me be clear, it is not magic, but it gave me a huge advantage. It multiplied the hours I was in contact with English. Think about it. If you sleep for 7 hours a night, and English is playing softly in your ears, that's 7 extra hours of exposure. Over a week, that's almost 50 hours. Over a month, it's 200 hours. Over a year, it's more than 2,000 hours. Imagine how powerful that can be for your brain. When you listen at night, your brain works differently. During the day, you are busy, distracted, sometimes stressed. But at night, when you are relaxed, your brain is more open. The words sink deeper. The patterns become stronger, and the best part is you don't even need to force yourself. You just relax, sleep, and let the English flow into your mind. I remember one story I listened to every night for almost 3 weeks. At first, I didn't understand much, but slowly the story became like an old friend. I knew the rhythm, the characters, the events. I could almost say the lines myself. And when I spoke English with friends, I noticed that I was using the same phrases naturally without thinking. That's when I realized this method was not just working, it was transforming me. But let me share something even deeper. This method does more than train your memory. It also trains your confidence. When you hear positive English sentences night after night, your subconscious begins to believe them. Imagine hearing these lines while you sleep. English is becoming easier for me every day. I am confident when I speak English. I can understand English clearly. I enjoy speaking English. When you hear this enough times, it becomes your truth. And that is exactly what happened to me. I stopped telling myself I can't. I started telling myself I can. And that change in belief made my English stronger than ever. So my friend, here's my advice to you. Don't waste your nights. Turn them into your secret classroom. Play simple English stories before bed. Play affirmations that build your confidence. Don't expect instant results, but trust the process. Day after day, night after night, your brain will absorb more, remember more, and give back more when you speak. If you do this for a week, you may notice small changes. If you do it for a month, you will feel stronger. If you do it for a year, you will look back and realize how far you have come, all because you used your sleep wisely. So tonight as you lay down, remember this story. Close your eyes, press play, and let your brain do the work while your body rests. Learn English while sleeping, and make your nights a tool for your success. Thank you so much for spending your time with me here. I hope my story inspires you to try this for yourself. And if you're ready to grow, subscribe now to Arise and Learn English. Join our community of learners who are building fluency naturally, step by step every single day. Together we will rise, we will grow, and we will achieve English fluency, even in our sleep.